Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to change unit. If you want to change unit in AviCAD, you can type min DWG units, press enter, and will be show for the drawing unit option. For number 3, it means you can use this drawing set millimeter as default. And if you want to change like into inch, you can type 1. And then press enter. The next, click yes, and then yes. Now your drawing will be converted into inch as unit. So to change again, you can type min DWG units, press enter. And I will set like into millimeter, you can type 3, press enter, yes, and then yes. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial, how to change units. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.